how to log in into Deutsche Bank account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.deutschebank.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Deutsche Bank. Now, tap on the Sign In button on top of your screen in order to sign yourself in to the bank. You will be led to the login portal, so go ahead and enter your email address and your password associated to Deutsche Bank. Once entered, tap on the Sign In button, and with this, you will be signed in to Deutsche Bank if you enter the login credentials correctly. And just in case, if you do not remember the password, then you can tap on the Forgot Your Password option and follow the on-screen prompts and recover your password and sign in further. This is how you can log in to Deutsche Bank account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.